Hello everybody, and we're back here with another beautiful EX10 featuring Dialga. I got so lucky because we went to the store, specifically Walgreens, and this was the last one. And ever since I opened the first one, I had been looking for another one. And here it is. Let's take a look at the sides. We got EX right here. And so beautiful. And the bottom of it right here. One foil promo featuring Dialga here. 5 booster packs and a code card. So let's see what we have here. Ta-da! There we go. We got the beautiful Dialga promo. Let's take this out and see how it looks. Wow. I love the way it sparkles. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a sleeve. There we go. Look at how good it looks. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side and see what packs we have today. Alright, there's Surging Sparks. And again, another Surging Sparks. Stellar Crown. Temporal Forces. And Obsidian Flames. And we have the 10. I love using these 10s. So of course, I'm going to put it back there. But we have our 5 booster packs. And I'm going to go ahead and get ripping. Let's start with Surging Sparks. I have not opened Surging Sparks in so long. It's just rare to find in my town. So I'm hoping for something good. I've yet to get a full art. So let's see if we can get one today. Popopus, he's always cool. Alright. Getting close here. Okay. And alright. That's okay. We got here a Brilliant Blender, and I have not pulled this card yet. So in the sleeve it goes. We're looking for another pack. Okay. Let's see what hit we have here. Very nice. Oh, I love that artwork. That's so cool. Can we get something big? And Palkia. Okay. That's alright. Moving on to I don't know. What do y'all think? Obsidian Flames, Temporal Forces, Stellar Crown. I'm gonna go Obsidian Flames, of course. I've yet to pull any Charizards from Obsidian Flames, and it should be Charizard City. So let's hope I can get a Charizard. Alright. Very cute. Getting close. And Thundurus. Okay. That's alright. That is okay. We still have 2 more packs here. I'm going to go Temporal Forces. Temporal Forces. What do you have for me today? Let's hope something really good, okay? Can we hope for a full art? I'm hoping we can get a full art. Come on, temporal forces. Okay. Getting close. And, oh man. Come on, packs. Can we get some last pack magic in the comments? Because we need to hit something big today. Okay? I'm ready. I am ready. Stellar Crown. Let's do it. All right. Okay. All right. Rapidash. And wow, that needed some last pack magic. But that is okay because we did get the Brilliant Blender and our guaranteed hit with Dialga. I really love Dialga, and this is a really cool card too. Search your deck for up to 5 cards and discard them, then shuffle your deck. So that could do something that you might need in your deck. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.